What RC helicopter? Hovering basics prevent beginners' crashes. Imagine trying to balance a pencil on your finger without dropping it. That's what hovering an RC helicopter feels like at first. It's all about keeping the helicopter steady in one spot. Mastering this skill is the key to avoiding crashes when you're just starting out. When you hover well, you gain control and confidence. This means fewer sudden movements that can send your helicopter crashing into walls or trees. The first step is to use tiny, gentle stick movements. Big, quick corrections often cause the helicopter to veer off course. Keep your input smooth and slow, especially when you're learning. Another important tip is to keep the helicopter's tail facing you, known as a tail-in orientation. This makes controlling the helicopter more natural because the controls match what you see. It's easier to tell which way the helicopter is turning and to keep it stable. Beginners should also hover close to the ground, about 1 to 2 feet high. This way, if the helicopter starts to drift or wobble, it's easier to catch and land safely. The ground effect, which is the cushion of air near the ground, also helps keep the helicopter steady at low heights. Using a fixed reference point on the ground, like a small mark or a piece of tape, helps you keep the helicopter in one spot. Watching this point helps you stay aware of any drifting. Once you're comfortable with tail-in hovering, practice rotating the helicopter's nose or tail in small steps, like turning 45 or 90 degrees. This builds your skill in managing different angles without losing control. If you feel overwhelmed or the helicopter starts to drift too much, gently lower the throttle to land safely. Fighting to regain control often causes crashes. Always choose a safe, open space free of obstacles like trees, power lines, or people. Before flying, check the blades, batteries, and controls to make sure everything is working well. Flying in calm weather with little wind makes hovering much easier. Using a flight simulator can also help you practice hovering without risking your real helicopter. These simulators let you get used to the controls and improve your skills quickly. By focusing on small, smooth control movements, keeping the helicopter oriented properly, hovering close to the ground, and practicing in safe conditions, beginners can greatly reduce the chances of crashing. Remember, the ability to hover confidently is the foundation for all other flying skills. Once you get good at hovering, other maneuvers become much easier and safer to learn.